Welcome to Tips and Tricks for January 2025. This month, how to find your UnForm serial number.
When requesting license resets or submitting support tickets, you may be asked for your serial number. So we'll show you a few quick ways to get to that serial number. First off, I'm on the main web page. There's a couple modules here you can go into, and you'll see the same toolbar help item, and there will be an about section that will display your serial number in this area here. Second way, if you enter your management tool, which you can get to from your applications in the start menu, there is an activation tab, and you should see a serial number in this space. Another way is anywhere you have a client installed, you can run command prompts, Windows or Linux, and you can use the -v option. So for 10.1, I'm using UF101C space -v, and that is going to display the same licensing screen we saw from the other options. UnForm 10.0, that would be UF100C-V. And also, as one more option, you can additionally specify a specific server. In this case, I'm going to specify my local server again. And again, do the -v. So with those arguments, you still get the same summary screen. So that is a few quick ways you can find your serial number when requested.
Thank you, Brian. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tips and tricks, please email dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm Tips and Tricks, thank you. We look forward to seeing you again next month.